This video will demonstrate the steps to assemble the adjustable stands and how to attach a strike pod. The following items are needed to assemble the stand and attach the strike pods: one base, one post, one rack, two SMARTfit weights, and the provided T-handle. Loosen the knob to adjust the post. You need at least 6 to 12 inches difference in height between each post. Place the bottom of the post into one end of the SMARTfit weights. There should be 2 weights used for these stands. Tilt the weights and post to one end so that you can feed at least 3 to 5 inches of the post through the bottom end of the weights. Now attach the base to the post so that the countersink side of the base is locked into place. Then tighten the screw. Move the stand to the upright position. Then secure the weights against the base. Take a careful look at the positioning of the base onto the post. If your stand does not look like this, then repeat all previous steps. If the post is loose fitting, then tighten the screw at the bottom of the base one more time. Remove the plastic cap at the top of the post. The rack will fit through the front slot and move easily down the post if both screws are loose enough. Tighten the screws when you are ready to lock the rack in place. Loosen and tighten the knob at the back end of the post to adjust the height. The back of each strike pod has 3 insertion points. The rack has 3 screws that will be used to secure the strike pod. Once the screws on the rack are inserted, you can lock it in place by pushing the strike pod downward toward the floor so that the strike pod locks into a tighter position. One end of the rack will have a lever that you can use to lock the strike pod permanently. To take off the strike pod, unlock the lever first, then slide the strike pod upward against the rack. You should now be able to remove the strike pod.